Assalamu alaikum class, very good evening to you. Welcome to all of you in this video lecture, and this lecture is related to English. Today we will learn about use of is, are, am. So come and let's see here. Am, is, are. You have already learned about pronouns. That one is he, she, it. So today we are going to learn about am, is, are. Am, is, are. I am. Next he mean वो लड़का, he is. She mean वो लड़की, she is. It you can use for anything. It is. We are. Next one is they. If there are people more than 2, 3, 4, so you can use they. They are. You are. Again look at carefully. We observe that am is used with pronoun I am, and is used with the pronoun that refer to one person, animals, and place, such as place and thing. So such as he, she, it. We will use is with he, she, it. Next one, look at the next pronoun and which one is used. However, for you we use are. Are is also used with pronouns they refer to more than one person, place, or thing, such as we, they, we are, they are, you are. Now open your book, page number 5757. Here you can see some sentences with I, it, she, we, they. First of all is I am a boy. I is using with am. Next one, I am a girl. It is a book. We are girls. She is a girl. They are girls. So hope so you have learned about use of is, are, am. Then now you have to make 5 sentences for each. So do it at your home. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.